As we rise above the city, the urban landscape unfolds beneath us. Our drone captures the hustle and bustle of city life, the towering skyscrapers, the crowded streets. But amidst this concrete jungle, pockets of serenity stand out. These are the city's lakes, ponds, and reservoirs, the visible part of our urban water landscape. From this bird's-eye view, they appear calm and serene, a stark contrast to the city's constant motion. But don't let their tranquility fool you. Beneath their calm surfaces, these water bodies are as busy as the city itself. Just like their underground counterparts, these water bodies are monitored by a network of sensors and data loggers. They measure water quality, temperature, and levels, providing crucial data for managing these precious resources. The city's water bodies are more than just beautiful landmarks. They are lifelines, providing water for the city's inhabitants and habitats for its wildlife. And thanks to technology, we can ensure they remain healthy and thriving. So the next time you marvel at your city's beautiful lake or pond, remember, there's a lot going on beneath the surface. This is the urban water landscape, a testament to nature's resilience in the heart of the city. Technology by TerraTransfer.